Yes. Hello everyone. My name is Ronit Khatod. I'm in 10th. I'm in Ashoka Universal School, Vadala in Nasik. I currently stay in Nasik, and my favorite hobby is to play basketball. And in my family, we live five people, and me, my father, mother, my brother, and my grandmother.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ronit Khatod and I am in 10th in Ashoka School and I live in Nasik and in my family we live 5 members and I like to play basketball and to play flute. My the people I admire is Stephen Curry. He's a basketball player and I feel proud. I was proud when I played states in Pune.
Lottery of 10 crores. Next slide. I will donate food to poor people. 2 to 3 lakhs rupees, and I will donate money to Padega India to Badega India. It is a group in our city which gives education to the students which cannot afford, and I will donate money to orphanage. Next, and I will spend money on enjoyment. I will do a world tour. I will make a gaming setup at my home and I will make a basketball court near my house. So, next, I will do investment in land and I will open a rehabilitation center and I would invest some money in shares. Next, and I will save some money in bank and do a fixed deposit too. Next, and necessary things that I will buy. I would buy a car and a bike for me. 1 crore and I would buy a house and my family.